Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach you about the 13th lesson of Science Part 2, Food Preservation. Okay, now don't scold me if you didn't get anything. Just kidding. Right, let's get started. Okay, food preservation. Okay, so let's start from the page number 80. So 80, not 18, okay? Right. So food spoils mainly due to the growth and action of the microorganisms on food. So you all know that microorganisms can spoil our food in different ways, like coagulation of milk, growth of mold on bread, spoilage of fish, rancid of coconut oil, etc. Natural changes in food occur because of the action of various chemical substances, such as enzymes present in food. It is called self-degradation. So like some examples like maturation, ripening and putrefaction of fruits. So you all can see bread spoiled, milk spoiled and tomato spoiled. Some pictures. Right. Methods of food preservation. Preventing microorganisms getting into the food. We have to prevent it. Controlling the temperature and water content on the food so that we can minimize the microbial activities. Prevention of damage caused by macroorganisms. That's not micro, that's macro. And there are traditional methods that we can use to preserve food, like salting mango lime fish, drying jack breadfruit, padding green gram and chilies, keeping on the dry sand like lime, ginger, jack seeds, smoking meat, fish, goroka, and immersing in honey like dry meat, those things. Modern methods of food preservation are known as drying, temperature control, and concentration. I hope that you all know those words. Food preservation. So the food preservatives are like the additives, thickness, the flavors, the antioxidants. Tell me in the comments if I spelled it right or wrong. Preservatives and colorings. So you all can see we have carotene and we have the riboflavin. Okay, these words are kind of hard, but it's okay. You just need to remember the spellings properly, because in the exam they are asking for us to write it, not spell it. Citric acid, carotene, and flavors we have glucose, saccharin, and pectin for the thickness. And there we have the various types of preserved food. Some preserved food can be directly consumed, like chutney, jam, sauce, food drinks, etc. Some preserved foods can be consumed after instant preparation, so those food types are packed after subjecting to a complex process. An addition of preservatives, they are known as processed or pre-cooked. They are cooked before. So like meatballs, sausages, noodles, macaroni, coconut oil, coconut milk powder, cordial, etc. So these ones are just needs to be instant ones, because we can just cook them in like 2 to 5 minutes, because they are just pre-cooked. Pre-cooked ones are ones they are not complex, not very complex. They're packed and it's subjected to be a complex process, and in addition to the preservatives. So some preserved food needs to be cooked before consumption, like dried fish and cereals. So we all eat cereals nowadays, so y'all can see that they need to be cooked before consumption. Advantages of food preservation and processing. Ability to prevent food spoilage, food poisoning and ailments caused by the consumption of food spoiled. So these food spoiled food can be prevented. The ability to select according to appetite because the same source of food is prepared in different ways. Ability to impart an attractive look for food. Disadvantages of food preservation. Okay, so running a risk of being prone to diseases with the addition of non-permitted ones, and they are additives and also the addition beyond prescribed limits, and increasing of the risk of causing diseases like cancer, diabetes, and also heart diseases due to artificial additives such as flavors and colorings, possibility of destroying vitamins and other nutrients, tendency to change the characteristic flavor, smell, and color of the food. Information in a label of food package. We need to check this before we take any food package, like the date of the expiry, the date of manufacture, the net weight, the total weight, the standard, the producer, maybe it's the institution or the country, the environment friendliness, the consumer friendliness of the packet, the wrapper. Alright, thank you so much for watching till the end, and please go like, comment and share this video. It really helps in making videos. And indeed, making these live and videos takes a lot of time than you think. And I hope that all of you will stay safe. And thank you so much for watching till the end.